Oh, I don't know what it is, dude.
Oh, that's something.
Shovel-nosed sturgeon. Look at the size of that one, dude. Oh, that's the biggest one I've ever caught.
Whoa!
That's the biggest one I've ever caught.
Looks like a dinosaur. Oh, they're so weird. Look at that.
Cool.
Would you look at that? That thing would rip your balls clean off, mate. Nasty little bugger.
I'll use the good side.
They are crazy looking. Oh, that is so nasty. Look at that thing. I'm going to swallow your soul. I stayed for a campfire. Oh, wait a minute. I think he's got another fishy. I mean, crikey.
What is it, sturgeon again?
Probably a sturgeon.
Nope, big old sheepy.
Gross. Sheepy head. Sheepy head. Oh, look at the size of that. Oh, wait a
Biggest
minute.
sheep head I've caught.
Wait a minute. It ain't that great, but it is a sheep head. They got rocks in their head.
Stupid
Gross.
head. Stupid shape.
Stupid fish. Oh my God,
Look over.
it moved.
Stupid.
Yeah, these things are gross. I'd rather have a video of the fire.
Just like walleye.
That's so pretty, so majestic.
Either got a sheep head or a sturgeon.
Putting up a fight.
Yeah.
Ew. Ew. Yay, variety for this video.
Oh, you gotta help me.
So
with
look
this
at the
one.
size of that channel cow.
Look at that.
I caught it.
Brilliant.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
I caught it.
Beautiful.
Brilliant. Brilliant.
I caught that fish.
Ugly mother.
Oh, he's got worms on him.
Where? I hate those.
On his fins.
Ew.
Isn't it bad?
Ew.
These hooks are fucking something else.
Mom.
Would you like your picture taken with that, Jackie? Or is it gross?
Here, take a picture of me.
We got a little walleye.
Is it stingray?
No. This is our fish.
Good job, Jackie.
Ah,
You caught yourself a little walleye. Would you look at that? Would you look at the size of that walleye? Yeah, she's working here. She's a working her. She's got a big one. Got a big old river monster. Yeah.
Jesus.
Really? Nice.
What is, oh, a sturgeon. I got some of
Got-
mine. The rest is mine. Okay.
That's little.
Well, boy, my sturgeon with a lot of fight in them.
That's what we normally.
Oh, geez. You might have a big one. Yep, another sturgeon. Oh, that's a pretty big sturgeon. Oh my! Look at him. He's ugly.
Oakland, I'm taking the picture with him.
Prehistoric stuff. Pick him up.
Hold on, Oakland. Hold on.
look at these teeth.
Hold on. Put him back down.
You're making noise.
Yeah, they always make gurgling noise.
Oh, so nasty. Gotta get him closer, Oak. You're gonna be in the
Okay.
video. That's good enough.
Closer.
Oh yeah, that's lovely. Very close.
It's like you did to me with that.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I'm guilty. Alright, enough.
All right, stop.